Oh, hey guys, Fuel Up 727 here, back at you with another video. It is a fan clutch delete for my 2014 Ram. As you can see, got it ready. Now let me show you how to do this. Alright, so right now we're looking at the engine compartment. As you can see, we have the fan shroud. You can see the fan clutch right there. And then there's that nut that we have to unloose to get the fan off. So we're going to take the bottom part of the fan shroud off, if we can, to get that fan out through the bottom. So let me just set this up so we can get this thing going. I'm just going to leave the camera here, and then I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing. So I have an adjustable wrench with me, going towards that nut right there on the end of the water pump. Going to twist it clockwise to unloosen it, and it should be pretty much broken free at this point. So let's see if I can unscrew it. Get these gloves off. Oh yeah, it's coming loose. Alright, so let me get the camera and get up closer with it so you can see what I'm doing. So this pulley right here is the water pump pulley. This nut right here is what threads onto the water pump, and that's the nut I was loosening. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like without the fan on there. I'm just going to go ahead and take it off because it's loose, and then I'll show you what to do from there. Right, so down here there's this guard that you take off of the bottom of the fan shroud. Unclip these first. This is what goes to the bottom of the fan shroud. And then once you get that loose, you can unclip these, and I'm going to take this down. Sorry for the noise. Okay. So on here you have some clips. Like right there, that's a clip. And they're pretty much just push out. And then when you get to the end, this will be towards the middle of the side of the radiator fan, and those will just come loose once you get all those tabs out on the bottom of the fan shroud. So after you get this out, sorry for the noise, got the fan. Watch out for all the hoses. And then, voila. After that, just put back that clip and then button this back up, and then you'll be good. Now, what most of the time people do, they just take the fan shroud off. They replace the electrical fan with the V6 1500s fan because it's got bigger blades. Here, let me get this. It's essentially just like this, but it's an electric fan, and it replaces that fan shroud, if you can see it there, because it has its own fan shroud around itself that is part of the electric fan assembly. So I'm going to keep that on because I don't have that fan right now. I'm not really too worried about it overheating. And also, if you were to go the route of the electric fan, the V6 one, right here is a plug that is plug and play with the V6s. So that's fan clutch delete. And please remember to like and subscribe down below. And if you want to leave any comments, you can. Any mods you want me to do, comment below, and I'll look at those and I'll reply back to you. Alright, you guys have a good one.